Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what keyboard you have and where vibration originates. Built-in keys differ from external units. Next, go straight to Settings and disable vibration or haptic feedback because many issues resolve with that change. Once done, restart your device to clear transient faults and test typing for vibration. If it stops, you fixed a software toggle. If it continues, make sure to note whether vibration happens only in specific apps so you can target the next steps. You now handle the complex middle. Update the operating system and any keyboard or firmware drivers because mismatched versions cause errant haptics. Boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps enabling feedback. If vibration stops there, you know an app is responsible. Make sure to uninstall and reinstall keyboard drivers or remove and repair an external Bluetooth keyboard to reset its settings. Once these steps are complete, test across multiple apps to confirm consistent results before moving to hardware checks. Finish by addressing hardware. Open only if comfortable, reseat ribbon cables, clear debris under keys, and test with a known good keyboard to isolate a faulty actuator. If the vibration stems from an internal haptic motor, replace the actuator or seek authorized repair. Keep serial numbers and warranty info handy to expedite service. If software still causes vibration, perform a factory reset of the keyboard firmware or a full device restore as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, log exact steps and timestamps to help a technician diagnose the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.